Hello you wonderful people, I am Sarah and today I'm just going to make a really yummy, simple cinnamon apple muffin recipe. I'll explain a few tweaks you can make as I go. It's just a nice simple lunchbox filler. Apples will be coming in season pretty soon. Our trees have just finished blossoming, so I'm hoping we'll be inundated with them. First of all, you need 1 3/4 cups of flour, just plain flour. Into that, I'm going to add 1/3 cup of sugar. Now with the sugar, I'm just adding white sugar, but if you want muffins to actually stay nice and moist for sort of, you know, the next 4 or 5 days, muffins, they often will kind of go dry after a few days. That's not a problem in our house because they don't last a few days because I have children. However, you can replace the white sugar with brown sugar. Brown sugar kind of holds the moisture a lot better. And so, yeah, you've got more chance of the muffins just staying that nice fresh texture for longer. And there I'm going to add 2½ teaspoons of baking powder, about 1½ teaspoons of cinnamon. Of course, you can adjust that according to your own preference. And 3/4 teaspoon of salt. I'm going to mix those dry ingredients together really nice and thoroughly. As a separate bowl, add 3/4 cup of milk, 1 egg, 4 tablespoons of melted butter. Now into that you're also going to grate about 1 cup of apple. You can peel the apple if you want to. Me, I never do. I just think that's taking nutrients away. I don't mind the apple peel at all. So about 1 cup's worth of grated apple. It can be any kind of apple. I'm probably going to use a Granny Smith because they've just got a nice distinctive flavour, but any kind of apple is fine. Alternatively, you could dice it up instead of grating it if you want some nice chunky bits, or do a bit of both, 1/2 cup grated, 1/2 cup diced. Might do that actually. We want to mix thoroughly all those liquidy type ingredients together before putting them in the dry, because you want to add them in and fold them together. You want to mix the whole batter as little as possible, because the more you mix it, if I was to get a beater and, you know, really give it a good mix up, it would end up quite sort of dense muffins, which would form peaks instead of the nice tops on them. So yeah, you don't want rock hard muffins. So just fold it very slowly until it's only just incorporated. Then we're going to put that into a muffin tray. Either oil it, add cups, whatever you want to do. And we're going to bake that at 180 degrees Celsius for between about 18 to 25 minutes. You don't want to overcook them. They should just be starting to go brown. And if you insert a skewer or a toothpick, it should come out clean. As soon as it comes out clean, they're done. You can take them out of the oven to start cooling down. Oh, you can definitely smell the cinnamon.
Very cinnamony and
yeah, so soft. That is yummy. And that was my muffin. And the other one.
Here, man. That's quite nice. Ultra fluffy though. I mean, perfectly good muffin. Very fluffy.
They are very fluffy. I didn't overstir them. But yeah, I think it's definitely worth leaving some chunks in there. So originally you just meant to grate the whole apple, but I grated half and I cut half into chunks, so we got like, that is good. Appley, cinnamony, yummy. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at that. It's beautiful, that is. Hit the like button down there. Leave me a comment, hit subscribe, and try not to eat these all at once. They are very moish. They are way too easy to eat. And we will catch you next week. Bye.